Show. Join me and my dad while we explore 6 random boxes, the outdoors, gaming equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! So today, we are going to look at this Swiss Army knife. It's a surprise!
Well, thank you for that awesome introduction, Miraculous Girl. Today we have this, I won't call it an unboxing. We're going to do a review of a special edition Victorinox knife. I kept it in this box just to show you. I ordered this direct from Victorinox. This is a special edition climber. This is awesome. Look at the packaging on this. I was so impressed when I saw this. I was very excited to get this. This is a special edition climber. It is called the Winter Magic. It is a Climberlite. So this slides out of the box like that. And this packaging is really cool. I don't know. I guess it, oh wow, that accordion's out somehow. It opens that way. Oh, this pops this way. So it has a moon keychain. That's how they get the moon keychain out. And then you have your typical Victorinox care guide. There's nothing in this that's unique to this knife. This is your standard stuff here. So it comes with a little mini half moon, crescent moon keychain. I suppose that's some sort of stainless steel. I don't know. Okay, so this is cool. The knife itself comes with a, and we'll just do the review, but look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Look at this side. And I have a lot of climbers, and I'm going to do some reviews on those. But this one is really, really neat. All right, so you have your keychain. I don't usually focus on the keychain with the split ring. It's on the all side of the scale here, or the bottom side, or line. You have a standard all with the sewing eye. You have your hook. I'm almost surprised they didn't put the special file hook on. You have your corkscrew with your screwdriver, your micro screwdriver and corkscrew. The scale does have the hole for the stainless steel needle pin. However, there is not one in there. I will probably put one in there. I don't know why, because I'm probably never going to carry this. Anyway, our scale tools. We have the black toothpick. We have the tweezers with a black head. We have, and then our main tools. So you have the main blade, and the tang stamp is the Officer Swiss. And on this side it is Victorinox Swiss made stainless, which is the modern, because this is a brand new knife. You have your small blade, you have your scissors. And these are our most up-to-date scissors. They're going to have the, I don't know if they'll be able to, here, the guide for the spring in there. Now, well, let's do that last. So, you have a 90-degree stop on your bottle opener cap lifter with your wire bender and your flat screwdriver. And you have your awesome, and as I say many times, I love using my Swiss Army knife can opener. It's awesome with the micro-tipped screwdriver. What makes this one unique is the light. It has the flashlight, so this is a Climberlite with special scales. And since it has the light, as models do with the, and this light, you can open it up to change the batteries. The light works, you pull back and it will stay on. It's a little LED light. I don't know what the lumens is on this light. I'm gonna have to find that out. Or you just press on it. You just press down and you can do it and it shines out in this direction. And then, like all the models that have either the light or there might be some with the magnifying glass, they have the Phillips, the inline Phillips screwdriver. This is the newer inline Phillips screwdriver, which is shorter than the one that originally was coming on the ones with the magnifying glass. And I think that's because the light takes up a little bit more room. So they shortened the straight inline Phillips screwdriver. I believe this is like a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You know, in the old days, they used to send a list of tools. They no longer do that with their knives. I don't see a list of tools anymore with my current Swiss Army knives. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is the Winter Magic Special Edition 2021 Winter Magic Swiss Army knife. Awesome knife. Really, really happy to get this. I bought this directly from Swiss Army knife, Victorinox. It was $100. So there it is. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.